How's it going there, guys? James here from Butler Farms, and I don't know if you can hear what's going on around me. Obviously, I'm in my shop, and I got a metal roof up here. What the sounds that you're hearing, I guess, over this video is rain. It has finally set in. We knew it was coming. I had a lot to do on my list for fall and winter that I told you about the other day, but it is what it is. I got hung up running some errands this morning, and so didn't get back till about lunchtime and had a couple of things to do around the house. And so I can't get out there and do what I need to do outside. So I also have a fall and winter list for rainy days. We're not hunting today. We'll get back to that tomorrow. A big group of us are going up tomorrow to try to put some more meat in the freezer. But one thing that we are doing is getting some things straightened up in here. You know, I work off a list. My kids and my wife make fun of me because I've got lists everywhere that I try to keep under control. But, you know, I work off list. If I don't write it down, I'm not going to remember it. And so I do have a list for inside as well. And, you know, it's that's what I'm working on today. So I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. You can see part of what I'm getting ready to work on right there behind me. You can see all my canning jars. I keep the original boxes and put them back in there. But then if you look down here, I've got a bunch that need to go up that I use during the year. So that's one thing I'm going to do, is sort through and put those away and check for cracks, check for chips, those kind of things. It's a good day for those kind of things. I've got tools over there in that corner that need to be sharpened. I got several that are dull, that are dangerous, basically. And so I'm going to get to work on those. I'm going to try to turn you around here in just a second and let you see. I've also got my Totally Tomatoes catalog. I've got my Baker Creek catalog, and I've got my trusty notepad here. So I'm already starting to make plans for seed orders. I don't know that I'm going to find what I want in those catalogs, but I can always go to their website, because believe it or not, I actually have internet up here that comes from the house, and the internet reaches all the way out here. So I'm going to use that to my advantage. I'm not going to sit in the house. I'm going to be out here around my tools and toys and stuff like that. And I'm also, I've got some nut trees that I've ordered. I'm getting some American hazelnut and also a hybrid American chestnut. And it's you know, it's basically coming from a place here in Alabama that I'm going to give them a shot. And I'm trying to, with my notepad also, I'm getting ready to diagram some spots where I can put those trees to give them the room that they need. You know, I need more than one of them for fertilization, so I've got to plan that out. I'm also going to be drawing in where I'm going to be moving some more muscadines. You can hear the rain, it's just getting harder and harder. I've got some more blueberry bushes going in, so I will put those on the map as well. I'm going to be mapping out where my new raised beds are going. I've showed you where I'm trying to move that trash pile back, and trying to figure out how many raised beds I can get in there. And I'm also, with those catalogs, looking for things to grow in the raised beds, more of a kitchen type garden. So I've got a lot going on, and you know, I love that sound right there. It doesn't do anything for making videos, I can promise you, but what it does do, I love the sound of rain on a tin roof, and that's exactly what I've got going on right there. I've also, you know, got some of my homesteading magazines, so if I get everything else done that I need to do, then I will sit up here and read. Let's see what else I got going on. I could take that bow apart over there on the bench and put it back together. It's an old compound bow that I need to be working on that I don't ever have time. So there's a ton of things I could be doing. And yes, I've got a list right there for inside work. You know, I've told you about my outside project list before, the things that I do not have time to do, A, while I'm working multiple jobs, B, in the spring and then the summer, which is the busiest time on the homestead around here, because that's planting, that's raising, that's keeping the garden up, that's harvesting, that's preserving, that's everything. And I don't have time to do these little jobs like this. So fall and winter are the times where we can regroup, we can look for broken tools and replace, we can repair, we can sharpen, we can plan. we can think about, with those nut trees that are coming in, if I can find enough room for them, I may add some more to it. Maybe not this year, but next year. We want a big supply of fruit. We want a big supply of fruiting trees and brambles and things like that. But we also want to be more self-sufficient with some higher protein type things that I'm not having to grow in the ground every year. These nut trees are going to be wonderful for that. And from everything that I've read on what I'm actually ordering with the American hazelnuts and the hybrid chestnuts, they are wonderful tasting. They're high quality, very nutritious, and that's what we're looking for. Just anything that we can add to that. So just because it's a rainy day, I was telling Boss Lady in there a little while ago that I was kind of bummed because, I've got this list of things and I won't be home tomorrow because I'll be in the woods and taking kids to shooting stands and all those kind of things. So I can't get that done, and I go back to work at the beginning of next week. So there's a lot of things coming together that's working against me on that list, but I have to remember I'm going to have a lot of time to get that list done before it's time to start breaking the garden and doing all those kind of things. So I'm really not stressing about it yet. But, again, I've got an inside list that I can do. And so that's what I'm working on today. Just a rainy, cool day. It's not too bad cold up here. I don't even have my heaters on in here. Just got a long sleeve shirt on. So it's very comfortable. I get to hear the rain bouncing off the roof. You can kind of see what my view is out here. Just kind of drizzly and wet. But I like it. It's, I'm one of those kind of people. I don't mind the rain, except when I'm trying to work outside. But like I said, I've got so much to do in here, that's not going to be an issue. So no matter where you are, what you're doing, if you've got time, if you don't have the seed catalogs, pull it up online. Start making plans. Start trying to figure out what your next step is, because some of these steps, like these nut trees, the fruit trees that I put in, these are long-term steps. They're not year one type things. So if at some point down the road you think, well, I may want pears, I may want apples. Well, first of all, you got to research what's going to work in your area. Well, that's a wintertime, rainy day kind of thing when you can't do anything else. The nut trees, they say that these particular trees are going to start bearing in 3 to 4 years. Well, they might, but they're not going to bear enough for what we have planned for them. That's going to be more of the, 7, 8, 9 year range. So we're going to go ahead and get them in the ground, but we've already done our research on the cold, nasty days. And now I'm researching where I'm going to put them based on distance and how far apart they need to be and all that kind of stuff. So use the day. If it's raining outside, there is something to be said for, sitting in a nice, comfortable chair and reading a book. That's just not me. I may read here in a little while, but it won't be inside that house, because as long as I'm out here, I'm in my happy place and planning for the future. And that's what it's all about. I do this every winter, usually on days like this, where I can just, I don't have to worry about what's going on outside. I can worry only about what's going on here, because there's nothing I can do about what's going on outside. But this is my planning period. This is when I start putting it all together for what's getting ready to happen this spring. And so use your time wisely. Make some rainy day plans, and when those days come, you've got it lined up, and write it down before you forget it, because if you're like me, you definitely will. All right, guys, I'm going to get off of here, and I'm going to get to it. I'm going to finish up with these trees, then I'm going to move on to my plants and get some ideas about what I want to put in the garden this year and start with. And, it'll change 100 times before now, but until I get it on paper and start planning it, it's never going to get started. So you do the same, guys. Get out there and plant it. Get excited. Spring's coming. Christmas is over, so spring is the next big thing for us in this community, and we're looking forward to it. Looking forward to getting our hands back in the dirt and getting some things up out of the ground. So until next time, guys, God bless you. We love you. This is James from Butler Farms, and we'll be seeing you.